In the kitchen today, we are taking grilled salmon to the next level. Artisan chef Greg Cabeza has more from Market of Choice, and they're showing us how to make a tasty and tangy recipe for grilled salmon with Dijon.
Today we are making a grilled salmon with Dijon. It's one of my favorite easy ways to prepare salmon. We're going to serve it with a side of Greek yogurt, lemon, and herbs. It's very simple to make, comes together in a flash. So we have a nice piece of salmon here, about 1.5 pounds. I'm going to fillet it, cut it into equal portions, and I've got the skin on it. It really helps to leave the skin on when you're grilling this, and that way it keeps its integrity. It won't fall apart as easily on you. We're going to put together our seasoning mix for the salmon. I love having the combination of Dijon and tamari when I'm seasoning salmon. It's all you need really to season a nice piece of fish. A little bit of olive oil. We'll just bring all that together. It'll sit in the mixture just for 2 or 3 minutes, and that's all the time you need on this. It doesn't have to sit like a marinade for very long. We're going to put it onto a hot grill, and cooking salmon can be a little bit tricky. It's delicate, so what we're going to do is cook the skin side down first, and once it naturally releases on the grill, which is about 2 or 3 minutes on a hot grill, that's when it's ready to come off. So we don't want to force it. Just slide a spatula under it, and once it comes away, we're good. You can start marking it, turn it over. I always use a meat thermometer. For fish, 135 is the temperature in the middle that we're going for. So we're going to keep checking this. I like to pull it off just a little bit earlier than that, about 130. And once it rests for a second, it'll continue climbing. It'll hit about 135 with the carryover heat. We're going to make a Greek yogurt and herb sauce with some lemon for our salmon. First, we will add 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. I like to use full fat for both of those. Then we add lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, approximately half a lemon. We'll just squeeze that into it. A tablespoon each of fresh chopped dill and fresh chopped chives. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and just a pinch of salt to taste. And that's it. Just garnish with a little bit of olive oil and dill to finish. Our salmon is done. It smells fantastic. We're going to finish it with just a little bit of melted butter and garlic, and I'm going to add a lot of chervil to that. I really like chervil. It's an herb. It's really bright. It'll work perfectly with the Greek yogurt and lemon sauce. So we're just going to serve that on the side with it. It'll be excellent. Here it is, our grilled salmon with Dijon, a Greek lemon and herb sauce. It's fast, fresh, simple, super easy. Give it a try at home.